Hi YouTubers, this is not how I usually start my videos, but hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. We have a special unboxing or review video set up courtesy of Ecoviva. This is our RO800 reverse osmosis system. Cleaner drinking water for your home, your family, your pets. There we go. So you get this. Then you also get this that has everything you need to set it up, power, to remove the tanks, the RO tanks, bunch of screws, adapters, and stuff like that you're going to need. Mounting bracket for the unit. If you need it, you don't have to. You can keep it standing on the filters at the bottom. So you got a manual. And there's videos on YouTube and Amazon already. So here is Faucet. There's power cord. You're going to connect that to the back of the RO system. Bada boom, bada bing. You guys can get the Labor Day sales going on now. Hopefully everyone had a good holiday weekend. It's red, white, and blue. And then, like I said, this click and install. And you're good to go. Easy peasy setup. See, there's a little faucet. There's a digital reader. This will light up. It'll show the levels of your RO tanks. So that'll be cool to see at the end of this video. Like I said, check them out now and take advantage of the sales. Alright, be right back.
Alright, so I just wanted to show you what everything looks like before I get it installed. We've got the faucet hooked up. You've got your wastewater going here. You've got your water line going up, and then we also have the white feed line here. Everything's going up to the faucet, so let's get it installed. Alright, let's get it started. So the water is going to flow into the system here, and once it stops, we'll be able to turn it on and get going. Alright, we've got the system cranking. It is getting set here. It's going to prime itself. And then up here, you can see we've got the full display. Looks absolutely amazing. And you're going to have to give it a little bit of time to prime itself. We'll come back and check these numbers out. Now what's cool here though, it's going to tell you what your parts per million are. There it goes. It's going to tell you your parts per million coming in and coming out. So in this case here, we've got 39 coming out, and this also is going to give you the lifespan of each of your filters down here. So definitely a cool little setup. You can see here all the filters are lit up. Everything is ready to go. And you're going to have that nice pure water. The other thing you can mention here, you can see that the water is a constant flow, and that's thanks to the pump that's built in, as opposed to having to have some kind of reservoir or anything like that. This is going to give you constant flow of water, and you can see there's definitely a good flow of water there. This is actually even dropping down to 24. So, pretty cool little setup. You can hear the pump kick off, and then as soon as you kick it on, the pump's going to kick on, do its thing, and the pump kicks off. Very quiet. Definitely love the fact that all of this stuff is right here on the filter. You don't have to go underneath there, write stuff down, keep memory, calendar dates or anything like that. It's all right here, ready to go.